All right, I got a blaster here of 2013 Topps Heritage Baseball, hot off the presses, right into my into my Walmart today. Brand new stuff, 2013. As you can see there, I already opened up a rack pack in the car on the way home. Hit a Shelby Miller Chrome Refractor. That's to 564. That's pretty cool. Shelby Miller rookie card. So I might throw that one up on eBay because we're probably going to see a spike in value and then it'll drop off and level off. But going to check out what I got here. Probably save my base for my set that I'm going to build. Well, let's get into this. There's a blaster right there, sealed. Card design looks pretty cool on this stuff this year. So there it is. All right, first pack. 72 cards per blaster, so you definitely get hooked up. Jeter right there. I don't think Jeter might be a variation of him. Zach Cozart rookie. There's a flashback insert. Sandy Koufax. All right, pretty cool stuff. Liking the design. Mets and Britney Spears. What's happening, buddy? Oh, it's only the spring. They'll be all right. Chris Sale. I think that's a short print. Yep. Chris Sale, 455 right there. Nah, they'll win some games. A lot of young guys. Hopefully Wheeler and Harvey get up and just tear it up when they get up to the big leagues. Brian Morris and Justin Wilson. Edwin Jackson. Is Crow a short print? No. New Age Performer, Prince Fielder. That's an insert. And then this is not an insert. Kemp and Kershaw. Seager. Yeah, that's just Wheeler's way of getting a few days off. He'll be all right. He's a young guy. Verlander, I think that's a short print. Justin Verlander, card number 500. There's a couple short prints already. Probably have to throw those up on eBay to get considerable value for. I'm going to throw them up like right now. Friendly foes, Jeter and Trout. Is that an insert or no? Card number 41. Sure, that would do okay on the open market if it was an insert. Avisail Garcia, rookie card. Jeter memorable moments, insert. Joey Votto, Justin Morneau. Yeah, they are pretty awesome. I got a whole case of this coming in on Wednesday, I think, Wednesday or Thursday for the break on Blowout. So I'm pretty pumped for it. I think this year's was probably under ordered, so they're probably, decent stuff. Blasters could end up having some cool stuff. There we go. Konerko, is that a refractor? Yep, that's to 564. Jeremy Guthrie, and then Mike Napoli, still with the Rangers. Guess they couldn't make the change. Two left. I hit an auto in my first blaster of this stuff last year. I hit a Freddie Freeman auto. Anytime you hit an auto in Heritage, you're feeling good. I think this is my blue Walmart short print or something. One per blaster. And it's Adam Jones. Yep, number 433. Blue border, Walmart job, something like that. And last pack. Yu Darvish, that's kind of cool. And oh, there's another Adam Jones. That's the regular version, short print. All right. So it looks like I got no auto, but I did hit 4 SPs and a chrome, so not too bad. All right. Well, thanks for checking that out.